Hey, Fit Fam! Welcome back to another exciting video on FitnessFusion. Today, I'm going to share some expert tips and tricks to help you stay slim and in shape without constantly snacking throughout the day. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our health and fitness tips. Tip number 1, hydration is key. Instead of reaching for snacks when you feel hungry, try drinking a glass of water first. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst for hunger, so staying hydrated can help curb unnecessary snacking. I always carry a water bottle with me to ensure I'm drinking enough throughout the day. Tip number 2, incorporate high-intensity interval training HIIT into your workout routine. HIIT workouts are fantastic for burning calories and boosting your metabolism, which helps in staying slim. They're also time efficient, making them perfect for those with busy schedules. Tip number 3, opt for nutrient-dense meals that keep you feeling full longer. Focus on incorporating lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meal. These nutrient-packed foods provide the energy you need while keeping unnecessary cravings at bay. Tip number 4, stay motivated and set realistic goals. Surround yourself with positive reminders of your fitness journey, whether it's a motivational quote, a progress picture, or a supportive community. Setting achievable goals and tracking your progress can help you stay on track without resorting to mindless snacking. And there you have it, Fit Fam! By implementing these expert tips into your lifestyle, you'll be well on your way to staying slim and healthy without relying on constant snacks. Remember, it's all about balance and making sustainable choices for your body. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time.